Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 386. 52 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, give me a little love, give me a little support, leave a comment below, let me know about what you think about this contest. And yeah, this is a live recording. The explanations for each problem will be in its own video, so definitely, yeah, let me know what you think about this contest. And in general, hopefully we have a good contest. Always hope for a good contest. Hopefully the mic and sound is okay. But yeah, 20 seconds to go. My pencil and paper ready. I don't know. To be honest, I just took a nap. I don't know why I'm so tired lately. Just took a nap. I slept a lot yesterday too, but just one of those days. But yeah, so hopefully I'll do okay and not make too many silly mistakes, which is what I think that's my only kind of thing lately. But all right, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Ooh, double cute, whatever. All right, let's go. All right, well. Is that true? What other cases are there? Okay, wasn't sure to be honest. Mostly because I was a little fast. Was that 1,000? Thousand's kind of awkward, but how did it go? I think I need to sort first, maybe. It isn't so bad, but my math is kind of bad, to be honest. I don't know. I think I do want to sort, but then this makes it a little bit complicated. Alright, let's just do it this way. So px, cx. Intersection, right? So ax, bx. I feel like I wrote this recently, but okay. This is so annoying. Okay, fine. Okay. Maybe something like this. In this case, it's symmetric. Okay. And then basically, the other way. Is it the area? Area. Okay, so you have to be careful, not the side. Is this right? I don't know. If it times out, I'll be very sad. Okay. Alright, so 2 and 3 are the same thing, except for maybe not. Maybe there's a different problem. I don't know that it is. So let's take a look at this one first. There's a different thing. Okay, so maybe they're different problems. Let's actually take a look. People are so much faster. Q2 was a mess for me. Alright. One index in the array, nums and change indexes. All indexes in nums are unmarked. You mark all of them. Okay. In order 1 to m, in change indices, choose an index I and 1 to n and decrement it by 1. If nums in change index is equal to 0, mark the index change index sub s. Don't know. Okay, fine. So basically, this is 1, then num sub 1 is equal to 0, then we mark okay, what does this mean? It seems like probably binary search. No, maybe, I don't know. But okay, so what's the explanation? Okay, choose 1, decrement by 1, decrement by 1, and okay, so this becomes that. Decrement, okay. So now, okay, so we're only going to do one of these. Okay. What are the these are the change indexes, so they don't do anything unless you do it. Okay. Okay, what does this mean? Okay, it still feels like binary search, but not quite sure how to do it. Okay. So it has to be 0 and then we mark it. This one is maybe they're different. Okay, fine. What would binary search look like? Do we do it backwards? Yeah, I think we could do it backwards, maybe. Right, so prefix something. Do it backwards. We go, okay, well, the first time we say we mark it, and then all the other ones we can go. Because here we can do 8. Because on 8 we go 1, 2, and then 3, and then with 5, and with sum is 4, right? So that should be good. But we have to make sure that this has 4 things. Oh, well, this one doesn't matter, but maybe a 2 has at least 2 more things behind it. Okay, so what does that mean? So okay, let's say we binary search, we see the first numbers, and 1, okay, we have 2, that's good. Do we greedily choose one of those numbers? Do we greedily choose one of those numbers? Okay, let's say we have 2, then what does that mean? Doesn't really mean anything, right? Basically, we can change any other number other than this number. Yeah, I mean, I think this one's more illustrative. We have 1, and then 3. Okay, so basically, let's say we have to. Okay, let's say we count backwards, and then so that 1, and then this is 3. So then basically we're saying the sum of the stuff, right? So when is it impossible? It is impossible if left is the number of total. Okay, I think I got it. Maybe I don't know if that's true. Are people just skipping to Q4? I don't know. All right, M is 0. Okay, good. If mid is good, then we try something smaller. Okay, and then the hard part, of course, is the good function. Okay. Total is right. it's the one index stuff is kind of confusing, but okay, fine. That's fine. We just have to do change index. Okay, so we start at right. Okay, so if not seen of change index, so also I hate you. I don't know why this has to be one indexed, and also I cannot type that. Okay, so we haven't seen this yet. Then we greedily choose that to be true, and then num sub basically the idea is and we also need this to be minus n, because that's the number of steps that we need for that. Okay. See the two numbers left and there's only whatever. How do I figure that out? This isn't right. So these are the number 3 steps. Okay. And man, my brain isn't working. Okay, so you have I steps left. Let's just do it this way. Let's do it the dumb way because you're dumb, Larry. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, let's see. Otherwise, you incrementally go, okay. Is it possible? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, we have to do this another way. Maybe something like that. Okay, and now on the order, so for I in order. Okay. And so 3 is equal to extra 3 is equal to 0. So that, let's say you have I, right? So basically, CI is the change index. So that means that you have the num sub CI is the, right, so this is the requirement for the current space, right? So, and I is the number of things happened before it. And the way I wrote this is a little bit awkward too, actually. This is an annoying one. Okay. Come on, Larry, you got this. Okay, so num sub CI does something. So this is the requirement. Index minus previous index. I don't know, maybe it's off by 1. So, okay, so if this number is smaller than or equal to okay, actually I guess 3 we can add by index minus previous. If we do, and this is index minus 1 minus previous. Okay, fine. So it's 0, then it'll be -1, is that right? If this is 1, then you have, if index is 1, you have 1. So okay. No, this is just index minus prev, at least with this one. Otherwise, okay, and then so now if the pre, let's say the first one is 0, then you have 0. Okay, the next one is going to be 1, and then you have 1. So that's not right. So it's going to be this, right? Something like this. I think this is too awkward to be right, but let's give it a spin. And it's -1, -1, -1, which is not good, but okay, fine. Okay. Alright, so it's doing something. So something's here as well. Alright, so basically it's trying 7. Okay, 7 is not going to be Gucci. And this should be left +1 anyway, but okay, fine. People got this. So people finished? Oh no. Okay, so I'm still up an okay time, maybe. I don't even know if that's true, but okay. So you have 7. Do 5, 6, 7. So actually, let's print out the order array as well. Okay, so then the 1 is going to be 7, 1 is 6, and 2 is 4, which is fine. Okay. So then now, oh, I have to reverse this. I knew that I needed to reverse this, but I forgot. That's why you debug, I think. Okay, so 7, 5, -1. I think I just needed to +1. No, this is a little bit awkward, but maybe that's right. Is this right? I don't know, to be honest. It's very possible that I have an off by 1, so let's just give it a submit. Okay, good. Whew, that's a tough one for sure. I actually thought I might maybe have an off by 1, but it is definitely a hard one. All right, same problem, but now you can do it to any non-negative. How many people got this yet? One person got it. 5,000 now. So we probably can't binary search. Maybe we still should be able to binary search. What would change? Let's see. And the idea is the same. Why did they make it 5,000? That is annoying, actually. But wait, why doesn't this work? Oh, because yeah, then those examples are different. Okay, that makes sense. Let's mark something like that. Okay. So it's the same idea, but if it's the same idea, why didn't people get it yet? So I'm kind of skeptical. Wow, Alex is what? Good job, Alex. I gotta stop focus on Alex and focus on myself. But okay, fine. I'm just looking at the running time on that one. Oh, actually pretty fast. Because the 5,000 scares me, to be honest, but maybe that's fine. So what does that mean? Right? So we greedily choose the last one again. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, you can just set it to 0. Why would you? Oh, I guess this is for if you have 9 things. Okay. So how would that look like? What would that look like if that's the case? Okay, I don't think I understood this formula, but okay, now I think I can do a little bit better. If I run it backwards, I mean, still true that I think this structure still is true, but then now it's this thing, so we have to change this code a little bit. Maybe we don't know that that's true. Wait, how can you do this? Maybe I'm misunderstanding this. Oh, it's not only okay. So it's different. This thing is different too. You can also do nothing. I don't know why. So you can mark anything that's 0. Okay. So that's the different part. Don't know how many people got it, but so that's the different part as well. I was wondering how this one worked, but okay. So then this is not true then. Okay. 5,000 is kind of crappy though, because it's just anti-Python, to be honest. Like, there's no reason. But in these cases, it doesn't matter then that these two are things, but can I do dynamic programming? No, maybe not. Probably could have gotten the Q3 faster, but today's a slow day. me get the board. I'm not getting in 2 seconds. This is a totally different problem. Also here, you would always choose this to be 0, so... Okay, so what does that mean? I mean, if you would use the step, and here's for... Man, this is a way different problem. Oh, this is not 5,000 square, but still. Maybe the other one was. I guess the other one could have been n square, but I did binary search anyway. And I think this one, the binary search still holds true, but I just don't know how to do it in a greedy way. Right. Okay, let's say you have 4 moves. Do we always want to do? Let's say we have 4 moves. Do we look forward? If we look forward, we go, okay, well, let's make this into a 0. So, okay, so some sort of greedy, maybe. Okay, so let's say you have these things, and then you see. I think I have an idea, but if that's true, I don't know why people like. I don't know why it's so hard per se, but okay, so we want to set it to 0. We want to set this to 0 as early as we can, I think. And then everything is just decrement, right? Don't know why that's not true. I guess we'll code and figure it out. Yeah, it's not an easy coding though. That's why I'm like stalling. Okay, so here. Okay, we haven't seen this yet. Then we said seen. We don't do it this way. Basically, we're going to do greedy, right? Okay. And okay, I mean, I think this is maybe right. I don't know. Yeah, okay, maybe that's fine. We haven't. This is wrong. Do we have to reverse it? I don't know. Maybe not. And then basically the idea now then is, now we just do like a for I in range of okay, well, I think we'll just do this. If I think this is what I will do for this one, okay. And then now we go again, right? So if we go again, all right. This is, I didn't even use this, but okay, fine. So this is wrong, this should be is none. Alright, so this is none, then we want to add it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and then now, oh, this is actually to n. Now we want it, right? So if this is off, but okay, fine. Oh, it's not off, but I think I need the other way too. If I look up, then what does this mean? That means that we set it to 0, and that's good, right? And we continue because it just assumes that we set it to 0. Otherwise, we don't set anything to 0. Marcus, you go to n, right? That means okay, so we don't set anything to 0, so we decrement one of the ones. Okay, fine. This is very awkward. I think I can just do this. Go n. Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, no, this means it's true. I think this is, if this is greater than 0, then this is false. Alright, just keep it that way. 1, 1, 1 doesn't seem right. Why does it think it's 1? Alright, that means nothing. Okay, fine. Target. Okay, so we have the target of 3, so we have these 4, right? 0, 1, 2. Yeah, okay, so the first 3, alright. So needed, we need 3 things. Oh, wait, do we? Well, yeah, that's fine. So this returns false, right? Oh. It is good if it is less than 0. Whoops. 7, 7, -1. Alright, well, I mean, it's wrong, but it's good. It's good. Maybe. I don't know. 6. -1's good. Alright, 7's good. 6 is wrong, though. My 6 is wrong. Alright, so needed is 0, so that's good. Oh, it's good if it's, yeah, okay. So 6 is good. I knew 6 was good. Why is this giving me 7 though? Is it because 7 is, so 6 is good. Well, 6 is good. No, I mean 6 is definitely good, but is 5 good? 5 is no good. That's the one that needs to, because it's 0 to 5. Okay, so I think I just got off by 1 in my testing. But okay, why is 5 no good? Because that's 1 left. Why does it have 1 left? As it needs 3 moves. Why does it need 3 moves? Oh, to mark it. Okay. So then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means target. What's target? Target is 5, so 0, 1, 2. Oh, okay. So this is target plus 1. I think I'm confusing myself off by once, but okay. Okay, so target is 5. So we'll do, I mean, this should handle all the 0 to 5, right? So 0 to 5, non-inclusive. Maybe I needed to do this. Maybe I just did it wrong, because this is should be, yeah, okay. Okay, 6. Yeah, it's still wrong, but it's still, yeah, okay. At least I know that this one's right. That's good. All right. So this one 6 is good. That's true. 5 is also good, which is also true. So then it should have gone down, right? No, because 5 returns 6. No, but 5 should not be good. Why does it think 5 is good? It's good because it skips these two, and then now, but it thinks it has 4 moves to do. Is that true? It has these 4 moves plus 3, right? So it should be 7. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, so if this is none, then needed should be, huh? Is it doing something funky? Yeah, it's definitely not adding that for some reason. Why? What? I am dumb. This is not change index. Okay. Wow, that is a silly mistake, but okay. We got through it. Well, now we got through it, but it's wrong. Okay, that's fine too. All right, at least we got the first one consistent and the second one's still right. I mean, the first one's still right, the second one not so much. All right, let's see, 7. So it should do it in 7 seconds. Which is this one, maybe. Either one, really. So it has 7, so then it skips the first 2. Oh, because it's a 0, so we can reuse them. Yeah, okay, fine. If okay. If this is lookup and I don't know if this is a special case. Sub. Okay, because then we update this. Otherwise, then we don't, right? All right. Well, look, I don't know how to solve this. I'm not gonna lie, but it works for the sample cases. So let's YOLO, and we'll get a wrong answer. Okay. I just wanted to get something. I just want to feel alive. Okay, no. All right. 1 1 2 2 1. I put 3. Why can I do in 3? Yeah, no, I cannot do it in 3. Oh, because it needs 1. I did know this case, but I kind of forgot about it, to be honest. Okay. So basically, it marks it, but it needs 1 more step beyond that. Oh, but that's tricky. Because, okay, let's say we just add 1 beyond that, but then if this is 0 1, then you could do in 3, right? Because if it's 0 1, I don't know if I know how to do this one bit. Oh, let's see. Oh wow, you were very good. Because if it's 0, 1, then actually one of the previous ones will just subtract 1 from that. So, that is tricky. Okay, how would I do it? Well, this is worth 5 minutes apparently, to be honest, because I don't know how to do it otherwise. But, oh, 2 wrong answers on Q2. Okay, but, okay, that you're asking the wrong question, Larry. You're not asking to minimize. You're asking, given target, can you do it? So let's say we have these 3 things. And here, basically what we want to say is you cannot use this because there's not enough time left, right? So basically what you want to say is what you want to say is what you want to say is, okay, if C change indexes of I is not none, then okay, so if this is none, then we can add the number of space, right? Else, so that means that it is not none, but if 3 greater than 0, then we could decrement. Else, seen okay, but oh, this doesn't go between. Okay, oof, this fixes this one but breaks the other one. Why does it break the other one? Alright, so let's say we have let's point this out too. Okay, let's say we have 5, right? And we have 0, 1, and did I do this in the right order? Okay, let's say we have 3. Okay, that's fine. We do 1 is equal. This is like in a weird order though, I think. Because we want to remove the 2 first. Oh, but the 2 is the 1. No, but we want to remove this, so I think we messed this up. Yeah, so then you have this thing, but then going backwards, this should have been. Okay, we remove 1 and 0. But okay, so this is 1, and then this. Okay, so that means actually, okay, so this is gives us a free space because we don't use this anymore. Okay. But okay, so we remove. So let's say this is target 3, so we have 2, 4, 2, no bueno. Now this, oh, 0, 3 has 2 2s, that's why 2 is good. But this one, the 3 is no good. So then we get a free space back, and then okay, fine, maybe, I don't know. Still wrong though, so we'll see what happens. Alright, it is kind of chaos printing here. Okay, so 6. Right. 6, we do 3, 4, 5, 6, but okay, we wanted to do 1, 3, and 2. Okay, so then why are we removing the 2 and the 1? That seems weird. Why do we remove the 3, 2, and the 1? If no, this isn't right. Oh no, this is right. But this is only 3, 0, 0, but okay. Oh, this isn't right. This should be if I is in lookup. Or if I is not in lookup, then we do this. Okay, because yeah, okay. And then this is just yeah, okay, well. I don't know that. I mean, this is still greedy, so I don't expect this to be right, to be honest. But it is a good. It'll give us a free. It'll give us a free wrong answer. So let's see. All right, because I don't know how to think about all the cases, to be honest. And a lot of people get it. I mean, I don't know. We might not get this one, but at least we get one answer, so that's fun to debug. Okay. So we have 8, but it expects 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But it thinks we cannot do an 8. Okay, let's print it out. I mean, it may be some greedy thing that I messed up here, because right now we kind of free them up by greedy. It may be wrong. It probably is wrong, to be honest. But, you know, sometimes you just gotta YOLO a little bit. And this is a very hard one, it seems like, so. Am I thinking about it wrong? Is it not variation on greedy? And whenever you change, you always want to change it to earliest. But when you cannot remove, I don't know. Alright, let's debug this one real quick. Real quick, right? Okay, so 7 is good, which is 8 seconds, okay? But 6 no good. Why is 6 no good? Tell me why. Gotta remove some stuff, is that right? On 6 we remove 0. Okay. So on 6 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huh. Why do we remove 0, which is this one? That's not the one we want to put, what? Okay. So we have this thing. Do I remove 0? I'm just, oh. No, I mean, I guess I do remove 0. So we remove this one. Is that right? So okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So okay, we never have to care about the 1. Do we? No. Okay, we don't accidentally care about it. That's good. Well, no, we have this here. Why do we have this here? Oh, because we do some funky things. Okay. And num sub change indexes of I is greater than 0. Then we otherwise we just ignore it, really. All right. I mean, I should have done that, but I guess that I mean, the other logic should have taken care of it, but we had added more logic, so that kind of made things really complicated. I think this is right. Or like, I think this matches this example. There's so many. we're literally that guy that's doing like one step at a time, but it may be that greedy as well. I don't know that there's another way. I mean, clearly there's another way of doing it, but I don't know how to do it, so. Alright, so 7 is these 7. I need to make sure I remember this as well, just for that, but okay. Because I think the other stuff is right, so let me just paste it somewhere so I don't forget. And it should be 7, the last one. Okay. Okay, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So we Alright, what am I doing? Just print it out, Larry, and then worry about it later. Alright, so it looks good for 7, but not 6, because for 6, we remove a bunch of stuff, I suppose. I was too lazy. So okay, we remove 4 and the 3. Where's the 4 and the 3? That seems like a very silly thing, because this is a 10, so we definitely want to remove it. So maybe we cannot do it in a greedy way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 or 7, right? Okay, so I don't know why they don't let me just highlight 6, 7. Okay, so what's happening here is that the 2 and the 2, because of this is a 1, but we don't need it to. I guess we save 1 move if it's 1, so maybe I don't need it that way. Let's see. Okay, so it's correct again. Is it right this time? I don't know. I mean, I have no confidence. We already have like 3 wrong answers or something, but it's free. Alright. We're done. I mean, I mean, I'm not trying to cheat, of course, like one of those if statement things, but I'm just trying to A lot lazy, to be honest. But how many wrong answers do I have already? 4 wrong answers. With half an hour. I mean, the wrong answers don't matter if we don't get it right anyway. But I'm happy that I solved this. But I think it's just not greedy. I think that's probably why. Or at least like if it's greedy, it's something funky. Some people got like 8, 6, 7 wrong answers. I guess their wrong answers kind of helped them debug it, but for me, not so much. So that's a little bit sad. Can I think any other way? I mean, I'm doing greedy stuff, so that may just not be right. What I want to do though. Yeah, this is really funky. Okay. Reset, Larry. How do you want to do it? So let's say you have a thing. If you mark something, or you mark that you want to use it, yeah, I guess 1 makes sense here. But yeah, and you look back and then just to make sure that you have it. Okay, well, okay. I mean, okay, if this is a 1, then you just mark it, right? So, is there a DP? Let me copy this as well, just before I forget it. I don't know if we're close or not, to be honest. I think that's the hard part for me right now. With half an hour, I mean, we got a lot of test cases. So, I mean, but are there weird edge cases, or is it that I'm missing something more fundamental? I think that's what I'm trying to tell. Because if this is 1, then using it is exactly the same as marking it. So, okay. But it's a little bit awkward because it could be a 2. But if it's near the end, okay, you're free, then you can use it anyway. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. What am I missing? That'd be funny if it's just DP somehow. I don't know. Yeah. Is this right? I mean, I guess this is right now because we have this other thing, so this doesn't matter. So if this is in a lookup, that means that we marked it. Otherwise, we either do one that we need or we mark another one. Or we change it to 0. And these are the earliest times we can use it anyway, so okay, so if I is in lookup, looking backwards, if I is not lookup, then we have 1 free moves. Otherwise, we do have a free move and then we have to remove this one. Because you could have a free one and then you have a choice. I see. Does that matter? I guess so. I see, okay. So maybe we have to put a heap here? I mean, I don't know, it can only help, I guess. Okay. You might need it, Larry. So, okay. So now we free one of these. Okay, so we use one of the frees. And we also want to do okay, so look up sub I don't even, so that's the change index. I and the lookup sub I, though it doesn't matter. I think if I is set up, then it's obviously this anyway. I think I did it in a very funky way, but okay, num sub look up sub I, right? So otherwise free is 0 and we have to pop something. So okay. And we don't want to, yeah, we do want to, it should be min, because in theory, yeah, because we used to, okay, yeah. So we don't, do we care about this? No, we don't care about that. Index and change, whatever, change. I don't think I actually need that, to be honest, but okay, fine. Oh, okay, you don't need it. So this is the index that we pop. And basically scene of change index sub I is equal to none. It's index Larry, not I. I made that mistake before. Alright. Huh. So we pop without a heap, right? Wait, how is that possible? If the free, then we sub, if free is greater than, okay. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, wait, so this is only if we don't do it. Okay. Oh, I see. So we want to push this anyway, and then we do it that way. Okay, fine. All right, let's give it a YOLO submit. I have that like whatchamacallit, because this is exactly what is his name, what's that cartoon name with the Morty and what's it called, Morty and Rick and Morty, that stupid like thing in my head, like that's what I was picturing, and I was like, oh, actually if you kind of reduce it that way, then if you reduce it that way, then you will actually want to return the min, and so here we are, and there you go. All right. But I ate a lot of wrong answers though, so I don't know. I mean, it's fine as long as we get it, but I mean, yeah, I don't know, but oh, all right. I feel like I've forgotten some shoutouts lately, so let's give some shoutouts. A Rice is up here. I mean, I don't know if people are gonna finish it, but I hope Alex does. Alex is good, you know, a good dude. Any channel regulars? I don't know if I spot anyone. Definitely, if you see your name up here, let me know. I feel like I haven't finished early. Oh, Joseph. Hey, Joe. Props. I haven't finished early enough to kind of be able to do these lately. So, yeah. But Yon Chon's been doing very well lately, but today maybe not so much. Well, I mean, I don't know. I mean, if he gets it right, then he'll probably do very well. So, it's, but I don't see any other regulars. Well, nonetheless, yeah, that's all I have for this one. That was a hard one. That is a hard one. I mean, you know, I think I mean, the points don't really matter per se, but I would say it's a 7 point at least, looking by how many people got all these things wrong. And yeah, did I even beat like Panda Forever or something? I don't know. Because I want to get a notebook. Oh, I guess the time is here. Ah, man, so I just barely missed it. Okay. I don't know why I looked at here and tried to do the math in my head when I could just look at here. But, alright. I mean, I think I get a notebook, maybe. I don't actually know, because I don't know how many people... Maybe not. I don't know. Because this is not that updated. And I think notebook is only 16th. Yeah, so it depends on how many people you think updated. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I could have gotten it without the 4 wrong answers, to be honest. Maybe I could have gotten it with 3 wrong answers. No, I mean, all of them kind of illustrated a principle to me, so I think they were kind of worth it. Like, for example, this one is a good one. I don't know that I ever came up with that one. I think one of the wrong answers I probably should just filter out here instead of having filtered it out here, which was why it was wrong. But definitely, I'm just taking a look to my changes. Yeah, I mean, you know, this one I had it here, and I don't remember why these things were wrong, to be honest. You have to look at the tape yourself. I mean, you know, when you saw me debug it, so you probably have seen me done it, but yeah, I don't remember precisely why all of them were wrong. I think one of them was actually programming. I think every other one was like problem solving or algorithmically wrong. So yeah, but a very good problem. I mean, I actually dig it. I dig it more because I solved it. Not gonna lie, but yeah, but it's a very good problem. And like I said, I think this one is that Rick and Morty problem. I call it Rick and Morty problem. I forget what it was called. It's like jumping between buildings or something, right? Yeah, I think it's this problem that I kind of, you know, that I call the Rick and Morty problem, and it was very recent, right? Like a week ago. So definitely a very interesting problem, very good problem. Yeah, that I kind of used that way. So anyway, that is all I have for this one. Whew. It'll take a while to update, but let me know what you think. It's a tough contest, but yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.